We're coming to the end of our unit here with subtraction and how to solve subtraction using our different strategies. And today and tomorrow are going to kind of be using the same strategy, only opposite of each other. So earlier we learned the count up method and the count back method. Well, this is going to kind of use both of those, but going through our friendly number 10. 10 is a great number, and any number that can end in a 0 will really help us solve problems. If we can get to a number that ends in 0, 10, 20, 30, it makes life easier because we don't have to worry about anything in the ones place. It's a 0. So going from a 0 to any other number is just that number. Remember, 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. It's always going to be that same number, so 0 really helps us out. Now, this strategy is called the Count-Back-Through-10 strategy, or going back through 10 strategy. So our goal is to get back to our friendly number 10. So what we're going to use is our number line. Our number line is always going to come in handy. It'll be there whenever you need it. So let's say we had the problem 14 minus 7. So the first thing we want to think of is, how do we get back 7? And we want to get to 0. So we're going to start at 14. And I am going to jump back to 10. Well, from 14 to 10, I know that is minus 4. Now, I need to go back 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And that is 3 more. So 4 and 3 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. So we want to get back to 10 and then count back from there. So let's take another one. Let's say I've got 18 minus 10. Well, I'm going to start at 18 and I'm going to jump back to 10. To get to 10, that is 8 counts. So I just need to know 2 more. 8 and 10 gives me to the answer of 8. So you're going to jump back to these moments, and it's going to land you on an answer, and that's going to be the one you want to go with. You can sit here and count back on the number line each jump, but knowing how to get to a 0 and what that is will help you. Let's look at 13 minus 5. Well, if I know that 13 is my starting point and I want to get back to 10, that's 3, that's 3. So I need to jump back 2 more spots. That gets me to 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So our first step is to get to 10. Once we've gotten to 10, we need to figure out how many jumps that is and add it on. Let's try one more. So I'm going to add in our number line because our number line is going to help us get that answer. So here's our number line, 1 through 20. Let's say I have the problem 13 minus 9. Well, I'm going to start at 13, and I'm going to go back to 10. Now to get to 10, I know that I went back 3 numbers. So that means I have 6 more I need to go back. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lands me right here on number 4. So 13 minus 9 is 4. So our goal is to get to 10. Once we've gotten to 10, count back that number. So go ahead and give this a try on your own. You are going to need to turn in your paper into Canvas so that way I can take a look at it and make sure we are doing the correct thing. If you need to come back to this video, you can. There's also some examples on your paper.